Hello everyone, welcome to today's episode of the Daily Target series. So let's begin with today's target. Seems to be an extremely easy one. Let's remove the comments. And I will use A and B. And let's remove everything after style tag. Star background, and the background is going to be this dark color. Paste, position fixed, and A. Now A will have a width of around, I ain't sure, but I'll go with 150 and a height of 50. And background of this pink like color. Okay, apparently it is not even near of what we want, but we can still -10. Okay, so I'll go with 52. The height will become maybe 60, and this will become, how much should it be? 170. Okay, here it will be -8. Yeah. Now what I'll do is WebKit box reflect, it is in right direction and 100 pixel. I think I did the same mistake last time. 100 pixel and right. Let me once again check how WebKit box reflect worked. I've seriously forgotten it. So I was doing it correct first. 100 pixel, and here has to be a hyphen. Not 100, it will be 60 here. Now it's turn for B. So B will be having a width of 60 and a margin of a little bit more. 110. No, it will be 102 and 110, 20, 30, 150, 60, 70. Okay, it will be 172. 172. Now let's submit it. It really was an easy one, I'll say. And it's a 683. And it will further increase because we have the space. And just a little bit more, maybe 685 or near that. 684.6. Okay, so that's it for today's video. Hope to see you next one. Till then, bye.